Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Visual Studio 2022 with the mobile development workload installed, Android SDKs, an emulator, and a supported NET runtime. Once done, open Visual Studio and choose the Xamarin Forms or NET MAUI template. Name the solution and set shared code as the startup project. Make sure to target the correct Android API level and select an x86 or x64 emulator image. This immediately positions you to build and run the app. Now implement the core app structure. Add pages, views, and view models in the shared project and wire navigation. Install Xamarin Essentials and any UI new get packages, then reference them in XAML or code behind so cross-platform APIs work. Next, modify Android-specific files, Android manifest, and resource qualifiers to declare permissions and activities. Once wired up, compile the shared code, pick the emulator, and use Live Visual Tree or XAML Hot, reload to iterate quickly, while fixing layout issues as they appear. To finish, select your target emulator or physical device and choose Debug to test or release for distribution. Deploy the app and monitor Visual Studio's output, DB logs, and the device manager for runtime errors. If the app fails to start, stop debugging, rebuild the solution, uninstall the app from the emulator, clear app data, and redeploy. This often resolves mismatched assemblies or stale resources. If issues persist, check NuGet versions and Android API mismatch. Updating packages usually fixes compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.